What up, fellow broke boys? Today I will teach you guys how to make a balloon animal. First, you gotta catch a balloon animal. Balloon animals are kind of hard to catch, but luckily for you guys, I built a trap last night. Alright guys, so this is how I built a trap. I used like this basket, and everybody knows balloon animals like curls, nectar, guava nectar, or whatever this is. And I'm not sponsored by them, so do not buy the product unless they sponsor me. But for right now, this is what they like. I already drank it, as you can tell. Because just in case it takes off with it, like I don't want to be down like a curse or guava juice nectar. Which again I'm not sponsored by, so do not buy the product. So this is how you build it. You go like this, like that, and that. And then if it tries to escape, well, once it goes inside, the thing's gonna like fall, you know, like that. Yeah, you see, and then it's gonna be trapped. And you're wondering like, yo, can it just get out of the holes? No, it can't because it's gonna be fat because of the juice. And by the time it gets skinny enough to get out of the holes, it's gonna be trapped, you know. And I'm gonna get it. So we'll check on later tomorrow in the morning. Well, yeah, later on. Alright guys, like I thought, it actually did get trapped inside there. But what I realized yesterday, well, when I told you guys that it was empty, was that what's it called? The balloon animal wouldn't get fat when it drank the juice. So I had to actually put in a real one, like a real full bottle of juice. But yeah, luckily we got it. We got our balloon animal. Now it's time to blow it up. I guess I needed a little pump. Guess I need to use a real pump, guys. Like an actual pump. Alright guys, what the fuck, as far as you go, so we're here, we're just gonna need to work with this. Oh shit, I can't even tie it up. Alright then guys, this is how you do it. So first you gotta make its head. Next you gotta do like its freaking ears. Our dog is gonna be a crippled, so we have to need legs.
Over there.
Yeah, that's him like a dog. Alright guys, so I don't like how it turned out, so I'm just gonna microwave it real quick. Yeah, it looks a lot better now. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And if you do subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. And make sure you subscribe, cause you don't know when I'll be able to upload like 2 days from now, tomorrow, an hour from now. Just make sure you subscribe. We're late.